Here's the secret to cutting a mango. A mango can be cut many different ways. First, test the mango to make sure it's ripe by gently squeezing. If it's soft and springs back, it's ready. Place the mango horizontally on a cutting board with the top away from you and use a large knife to cut as close as possible along the side of the pit. Take one side and slice through the fruit from top to bottom and left to right without cutting through the peel. Bend the peel back and cut all the blocks off of the peel. Then cut the sides of the mango off of the pit with a small knife. Remove the skin and cut the flesh into chunks or slices. Here's another way to do it. Peel the mango with a knife or vegetable peeler. Then cut the fruit to the pit. For cubes, cut thicker slices and cube them. Finally, cut any leftover fruit off of the pit. And that's the way to cut a mango.